Hey guys, look at this. It's shaving cream. Mr. Van wanted it for a Christmas project.
I reckon we won't use all of it. I think we all know what needs to happen next. Hey, what are you guys doing?
Attack!
No, no attack. Stop. That shaving cream was for our Christmas tree project. You four knew this. Not cool.
There are no timeouts in battles. The puffy paint can wait. It's time for some turbo drink. Glug, 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 glug.
Not the turbo drink.
Merry Christmas, you silly animals. Whoa. Oh, slippery. Ah.
Oh, it's Itsy Bitsy. Don't move. I'll get it for you, buddy. No, Randy, don't do that. Although it was a glorious battle that will be talked about for ages, we sincerely apologize, Mr. Van. Thank you for apologizing. I know that can be really hard, but I do appreciate it. We're excited for the Christmas tree project. You need a hand? Honestly, given how this episode started, if you could just please get the materials that I asked you to collect, bring them to the table, that'd be perfect. And if you'd like to follow along with the art project, bonus points.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
I'm not trying to be a Grinch. I'm just really excited about this puffy paint Christmas tree. Fellas, let's hurry it up. I'll see you at the table. Now that we have all three of our puffy paint ingredients set to go, let's mix everything together and see what it looks like. You'll need some liquid glue, equal parts glue to shaving cream, and of course, shaving cream. Last but not least, some green food coloring. I have a 1/3 measuring cup, so I'm going to fill that up with some liquid glue. Pour it in. Spoon right here to get out all that extra stuff that doesn't want to come out. Gotcha. Next, shaving cream, same amount. Might have to add a little extra. We'll see what happens. Oh, we're going to overflow it a little bit. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Oh, I can see why my friends wanted to battle with shaving cream. It is fun. And let's put a few drops in there. See if that's enough. Okay, let's get mixing. See what it looks like. Oh, it's fluffy already. Cool. Oh, looks like we need some more green food coloring. That's a little too light. We'll double it up. Maybe more. I think that looks perfect. 35 drops later, whatever it was, I am going to draw a nice big triangle. So I'm going to start with a guide point at the very top. I can scooch my lights out of the way. So I started with a guide point at the top. I'm going to drag a long diagonal down to the left, and then another diagonal down to the right, horizontal line to connect at the bottom. This way it gives me a visual where I'm going to paint. All right. And now the fun begins. So I'm going to bring my paint over. I have my paintbrush set to go. Let's dunk in. Oh, perfect. Oh, it's very, very puffy. Just what we wanted. I gave Randy a piece of paper, and I want to see how our buddy is doing it. Hey, Randy, how's the painting going?
Well, what you think?
It looks like a green T-Rex to me, not a Christmas tree.
But soon, it's gonna be a Christmas Rex.
It looks great, Randy. I can't wait to see it when it's done. Moving on, we'll paint in these last few spaces. Maybe add a little more around the outside. Nice. Wonder if I can even add some little lines around to make it look like it has pine needles. Oh, that looks kind of cool. Okay, now that I've painted my Christmas tree, I need to make it look a little more Christmassy. So I gathered up some pom-poms over here. Let me scoop them out of my container, and I thought that these would look like ornaments. Given that our mixture has a lot of glue in it, I'm thinking that I could just press these right into the puffy paint. And I'm thinking they'll stay right there. I have some markers here too, because I wanted to add a trunk at the very bottom. With my markers, I can add some other details as well. I don't have much room at the top, but I want to see if I can fit a little star. It's going to be a tiny one. Star at the top. And add a little snow on the ground. Maybe some snowflakes. To make a snowflake, I like to start with an X, and then I add a vertical and a horizontal line. Kind of looks like a star or a snowflake. Do one more down here. And maybe one present on the ground off to the side. Oh, I can't wait to hang this up. Hey, Randy, here's my Christmas tree. Can I check out your T-Rex? Well, what do you think about it now? Bravo. Now, while I was painting my Christmas tree and while Randy was working on his Christmas T-Rex, I heard some rustling over there, so I'm pretty sure that Mr. Winston, Sir Giles, and Fuzz were also working on a puffy paint Christmas tree. So fellas, can you show us what you came up with? I don't see any puffy paint, but it is a tree and it looks wonderful. It's more than wonderful. It's an emotional experience.
This tree right here makes the redwoods peanut butter and jealous.
It smells better than fresh cinnamon rolls.
This tree releases oxygen and love.
Okay, guys, we get it. It's a really nice tree, but it's time for us to clean up this mess and close out the show.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Santa! Oh, Santa! Santa, Santa, Santa! He's here. I can't wait to see him. But before I can tell Santa what I want for Christmas, I'd like to thank all of you friends at home for joining us today. We really appreciate it. And let's do our best this holiday season and beyond to work hard, show kindness, ask questions, and be brave. See you next time. Well, now that the episode is over, I've got a little surprise for Mr. Winston.
Jiminy Christmas, Mr. Van. Now I look like Santa Claus. Get 'em, boys!
Attack! Merry Christmas, friends, and Happy New Year.